Ooh. What do you call this? Ano? Candy. Salted caramel frap. And macchiato. Cashew macchiato. This is cashew macchiato.
Cashew macchiato?
Yeah. I don't know what's the difference of cashew macchiato with ano ba sabi niya? Caramel. But it's cute. I don't know. Let's see. Let's have it. Oh. Tara guys. Coffee tayo. Kasi kailangan naman ng energy. Cheers. Cheers, sister.